Wanted to show you Pip Bro's new barbecue range and sauces and talk to you a little bit about these products as well. All right, so right here we got the bacon gem. This is the famous bacon gem. You might be asking, okay, what am I going to do with bacon gem? How am I going to use it? And does it taste good? Well, look, if you like bacon, you're going to love this. Okay, it's going to go with your burger. Cook your burger, put some of this bacon gem on top, put some cheese on top, put your brioche burger bun, put some of your proper meat sauce on the brioche burger bun and munch right in. That's it. It's going to be absolutely delicious. If you want to use it with an omelette, make an omelette, put some bacon gem inside with some grated cheese, some salt, some pepper, fold it up. It's going to be beautiful. For another breakfast item, you can have some toast, heat some of this up, spread it on your toast with a fried egg on top. Even if you want to be a bit fancy, put some truffle on top. It's going to be amazing, even better with duck eggs. And then, yeah, you can toss it with your vegetables. You can have so much fun with it. You can be really creative with this bacon gem. It is slow cooked, smoky, streaky bacon with balsamic and sugar and rosemary and thyme and garlic and lots of love. And that's it. So make sure you try this. If you do try it, send me a message on Instagram at John Relihan or at Pip Bro's Barbecue and let me know what you're going to be cooking with this one. All right, so next product. We got here the Kraken Carolina sauce. Kraken Carolina sauce. Some people say to me, oh my God, it's going to be really spicy. It's a Carolina Reaper. It's not anything got to do with chili. It is not a chili. This is a sweet American mustard sauce. Okay, one of the key things that my mother loves with this one is bacon and cabbage. So it's a mustard sweet. It has vinegar going through it. It's got all your different spices you can pour on top. You can spread it on your sandwich. Have a little bit of fun with it. Even better, if you slow cook a pork shoulder with our signature rub, which is just here, and I'll get to that in a minute. Smoke off a pork shoulder, pull it all open, all the fat and the steam is gone everywhere. Pour this right on top of it. It's going to be absolutely delicious. It's going to be a mustard-based barbecue sauce. And again, it's not going to be over the top spicy. There's no strongness of that mustard flavor. It is sweet, it is delicious, and you're going to absolutely love this one. Next product, we got the bangin' buffalo sauce. Bangin' buffalo sauce, what are you going to use with it? Well, if you like chicken wings, get them cooking. Whether you use an air fryer, because that's all the trend, you can use the air fryer. You can put them in the oven. You can put them on the barbecue. You can put them on the grill. When they're ready, toss this bangin' buffalo sauce into a little mixing bowl with your wings after, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. It's spicy. There's a kick to it. It's going to be great. Have it with your chicken. Have it with a whole chicken. Okay? Even if you're watching a movie night and you get those little chicken popcorn things, dunk it in. You can drink it out of the bottle if you would like. And also, you can pour it on top of your pizza. It's amazing with pizza as well. It goes with so much different things. And yeah, you spice up your life and get some. Next one, we got the proper meat sauce. Give it a little shake, the proper meat sauce right here. What is it and how do you use it? Well, if you cook a beautiful sirloin steak, ribeye, or a fillet, you can pour some on top. Even better, if you have pork shoulder, slow cooking in the smoker or even in the oven, or a brisket, you can pour this inside. It's going to act like a barbecue sauce, sweet, delicious, vinegary, tomatoey. It has all the spices. It's got everything that you need. Try this one. You're going to absolutely love this one as well. And yeah, have fun with this. Now on to the barbecue rubs. So this one here, signature rub. What do you use the signature rub? We got 3 rubs, which we have the Yardbird, the signature, and we got the charred. Okay, so I'm going to start with the signature. The signature rub, what you're going to do with it is season the outside of a pork shoulder. Season the outside of a brisket. Baby back ribs, okay? Put it into the smoker or into your oven at home or onto the grill and let it cook. This one has a little bit higher sugar level, so the caramelization will work. It's got whole yellow mustard seeds. If you can see here, look inside there. It's got whole yellow mustard seeds inside. They pop, and that's a beautiful flavor as well. So yeah, this one is going to be absolutely delicious. Summertime is coming, so everyone needs to have one of these on your counter. Next one, Yardbird. Yardbird is for all your poultry. So if you're cooking your chicken wings over the grill or in the smoker or in the oven over the summer and you're having friends around, season them up with this. Okay, it's going to absolutely blow you away. You got garlic powder, onion powder, bay leaf. You got a bit of oregano going through it. You got all the beautiful spices that's going to only help and improve your chicken and your poultry. So Yardbird is amazing. Plus it's got a little bit of a kick as well of chili flakes. but it's delicious. So this one and the Bangin' Buffalo together, match. Next one here, chard. How to use the chard and why do we call it chard? So everything that goes on the grill is chard, or everything into the oven that you want to like season off and cook, or you're cooking a steak. So if you're cooking a beautiful ribeye steak or a sirloin, season the outside with the chard rub, okay? Grill it off, baste it with a little bit of butter. Also, what you can do with this one is you can open it up and you can see the oregano inside. I have some butter here. And you can just season your butter a little bit as well and dip your steak right in there, and that is going to be so much flavor going on. Okay, so chard all your steaks, even with your vegetables, put it with your fish. It's going to be amazing. So look, this is the Pip Bros barbecue range. We're here all summer, all year. It's going to be a lot of fun, so make sure you get your orders in. Enjoy it with friends and family. Have fun, get grilling, get cooking your meat, get cooking veg, fire, gas, charcoal, inside, as long as you're cooking and you're using some of these beautiful products that we make ourselves. Have some fun, that's all that matters. So look, enjoy, have fun, and I will catch you later. Thank you so much for watching, and big love.